Hello guys, if you find out the project location of Windows Form application built using Visual Studio C Sharp is high, otherwise the project folder takes too many space from your storage. So what we can do? Here, go to your project folder built via Visual Studio, and then in the File Explorer you will see this more button and then click options. Okay, now let me go ahead and do that again. Click this more button and then go to options, and then here in the view you are going to select show hidden files, folders and drives, and then click apply. Okay, and then you will see this folder called .vs. Now here let me go ahead and show you the previous folder size that I have deleted. Here actually it was 5 GB, near 5 GB. It is a very large folder. So what I'm going to do is just delete that folder, so it will allow us to save the time. And I tried this, it will not affect our project. After deleting that previous folder called .vs, and I tried to run my application and it is working fine. There are no such issues I face. Now if you cannot find this hidden folder or enabling the option for viewing hidden folder, you can use your terminal. Right click and then here in the File Explorer right click on your project folder and then click open in terminal. Okay, and then here you have to type cd dot vs, cd space dot vs, and then type here ii space dot. So this will open the folder using File Explorer. So here select this, select everything inside this and then just delete. Okay, now I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.